Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Filterfresh air filter tracking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Filterfresh is a home maintenance app designed to help users track and replace their air filters on time. Instead of guessing when your HVAC or room air filters need to be changed, the app keeps a running log of filter usage, sends timely reminders, and helps you organize multiple filters across different rooms or systems. It's available on both iOS and Android and is built for homeowners, renters, and anyone who wants better control over indoor air maintenance. The app's main feature is its filter tracking system. You enter your filter type, installation date, and recommended replacement cycle, and Filterfresh automatically notifies you when it's time to replace it. You can manage multiple filters from a single dashboard, store filter details, and maintain a history of replacements for future reference. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's simplicity, clean interface, and reliable reminder system. It helps prevent overdue filter changes, which can improve air quality and HVAC efficiency. Users also like that it organizes filter information in one place, reducing guesswork and extending equipment life. However, there are some drawbacks. The app does not offer advanced smart home integrations, and it lacks real-time monitoring features found in sensor-based systems. Some users also mention that the manual data entry process can be time-consuming, especially for households with many filters. In addition, the reminder accuracy depends entirely on the user entering correct filter lifespans. In summary, the Filterfresh app may be worth using if you want a straightforward tool to track air filter replacements, maintain better air quality, and stay organized with home maintenance. However, if you prefer real-time sensor tracking or want deeper smart home automation, it might not offer enough functionality for your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.